Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tracee Ellis Ross nervously joined her mother Diana Ross and sister Rhonda Ross on stage at Radio City and showcased her magical vocals while singing the harmony to her mother's 2021 single Count on Me, which was written by her 51-year-old sister.
Always need, I remember the melody now. Count on me. Count on me. Count on me. Count on me. I'm abide in low and high tide. Always by your side. Ooh, so cute. I can act silly, but the singing scares me. Count on me. It was count on me. Count on me.
The actress accompanied the duo and matched their all-black attire as she rocked a black jumpsuit. As her mother sang the lyrics to the song, she quickly asked her younger daughter, "Do you remember the melody now?" The 49-year-old anxiously shook her head seconds before being met with a microphone and singing the chorus Count on Me with the help from her sister. Audience members cheered after hearing the blackish actress hit the note that she was so afraid of achieving. As for their performance continued, Tracee Ellis Ross became quite familiar with the microphone as her mother placed it in her direction once again, this time to sing some oohs. The trio of ladies broke out into laughter after the patent beauty hair care creator fell flat on her notes, saying, "I got so scared. I can act silly, but the singing scares me." Those in the audience met the three ladies with a standing ovation as the song came to an end. Uploading the iconic video on her Instagram page, she admitted to having nerves while being up there, as she wrote, "I'm a brave person. I do a bit of scary things all the time. It's part of my career I built. But singing on stage with my mom makes my legs go like spaghetti. As if the high note never happened, I became a 5-year-old immediately." Ross's younger brother, Evan Ross, related to his older sister's post and commented, "I know the feeling. Love you, sis." Although Ross felt like a 5-year-old on stage, many fans felt as if she did a tremendous job singing out of thousands of fans. A fan said, "Your voice is beautiful. I often forget you're the great Diana Ross's daughter because you've seriously made your own path and became you." Another fan said, "You sound and looked beautiful." A last fan said, "Your voice is so beautiful." Tracee Ellis Ross may not pride herself in being a singer, but from the sound of her voice during the performance and who her mother is, she definitely has the vocal ability. Thanks for listening. For more celebrity news, please like, comment and subscribe.